Good evening. Welcome to Snap Sports Network. Breaking news. A cross-border scandal is rocking the sports world as the male-dominated media elite have ignited a firestorm controversy over national anthems being booed at sporting events. That's right, folks. The US and Canada, two nations bound together by maple syrup, mediocre beer, and mutual passive aggression, are now at war. And it's all thanks to the sports media pulling the strings. A breaking news exclusive. Sorry if I'm not dressed appropriately. Fans on both sides of the border are allegedly furious. Americans think the Canadians started it. Canadians say Americans did it first. Some claim the ghost of a 1970s hockey fight is to blame. But the real culprit, the media. More specifically, the boys' club in sports media. Using their ancient unholy powers of clickbait and outrage to divide the people. Back to you. Breaking news exclusive.
This is an outrage. Canadians are disrespecting our anthem. It's basically an act of war.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, please, Americans have been booing Canadians for years. We should revoke their Tim Horton privileges immediately.
Honestly, I just boo because it's fun. Like, it's part of the rivalry. You cheer your team, you boo the other guys. Then we all grab a beer afterward. Nobody actually cares.
Well, that's not what the media wants you to think. Back to you. The question remains, how much longer will the powerful overlords of sports media control us? How much longer will they divide us with their out-of-context sound bites and dramatic overreactions?
Woohoo! Yay!
A breaking news exclusive. Wait, we have a new crisis unfolding. Reports are coming in that someone in Toronto just cheered an American player. Is this treason? Are we witnessing the end of civility as we know it? Stay tuned as we blow this completely out of proportion.